everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Makeup. So today the video is going to be about a review video, and the review is going to be about the Bblunt hair straightener, Insta Smooth hair straightener ka review. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to review this Bblunt ka Insta Smooth hair straightening brush ka review. So yeah, this is how the straightener looks like. Inside it is packed like this. So I have already opened it. So this is how it looks like, and it also have a protective sheet. So you have to remove it like this, and you have to use it. First, I'm going to apply the serum onto my hair. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. You have on from 160 degrees, 180 degrees, 200 and 220. First I'm going to heat up to 220 degrees. Can you see it? Here the light is blinking, right? Here it is 220. So I'm going to let it sit for around 5 minutes and let it heat for a while, and then I will straighten my hair by using the That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and so yeah, let me know your valuable opinions in the comment section down below, and also let me know what the other videos you would like to see in my channel in the comment section. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy. Bye.